welcome to our podcast channel. I am Ece from 10E.
And I am Sude from 10E. Today we will be doing a sitcom quiz with each other.
Yes, we will ask some questions to each other. I'm starting first. It will be about Brooklyn Nine-Nine show. The question is, who won the third Halloween heist?
The first one was Jake Peralta, I think. The second one was Captain Holt.
Yes.
The third one was Amy, I think.
Yes, that's true.
And the fourth one was, I think, Gina. I don't remember it much.
Yeah, I suppose it was.
So the second question is coming from me. What's the Pontiac Bandit's real name in Brooklyn Nine-Nine?
Doug Judy.
Yes, that's true.
Yeah.
What's going on?
Just picked him up on a dozen counts of identity theft. His name's Doug Judy.
He was a very comic character. So funny. It's Brooklyn Nine-Nine again. What country did Sergeant Jeffrod spend time in during college?
That episode was really funny because he looked really different. His hair, his type of dressing.
Yeah.
It was Japan, and he had a girlfriend from there.
Great. I got through to customer service, but I really don't remember that much Japanese.
But I think she cheated on him.
That was so different. You know, Japan is very different culture, and they harmonized American culture and Japanese culture. That was so funny, I think.
Yes. And the third question is, what is the name of the barista in Central Park?
It's from Friends, one
Yes.
of my favorite show. It was Gunter.
That's true.
Yeah, he was fall in love with Rachel.
And there's nobody to hug!
I don't know. I didn't watch Friends, but I'm planning on.
Yes, you should watch. Okay, the next question comes from Modern Family. You like it too much, I suppose?
Yes, I am.
What country does Gloria come from?
That's an easy one. That's Colombia.
Yeah, that was easy.
Wrong? Who's died?
No, Manny.
Why would you even think that?
In Colombia, Manny went to Pablo Escobar Elementary School. If you were pulled out of class, it was definitely to identify a body.
And what costume did Ted always wear for Halloween in How I Met Your Mother?
I don't really remember that. It was something like... No, I couldn't
Don't
remember it.
It was a voting ballot.
Voting ballots, yeah.
I'm gonna go make some Tootsie Rolls. It's a drink I invented.
And my turn. It's from Office. Who started the fire in the office? I have options in there. You want to hear?
Yes, please.
Ryan, Kevin, Dwight, or Michael?
I don't really remember that episode, but I think it was Dwight.
No, it was Ryan.
Ready? Ryan started the fire! It was always burning since the world's been turning! Ryan started the fire! It was always burning since everybody was turning!
I can't believe I started the fire.
Okay, your turn.
What college did Ted, Marshall, and Lily go to?
Well, it's Wesley University.
Yes.
We talk about this. Okay, from The Office again. What does Michael get from Phyllis for Secret Santa?
It was a glow, I think.
Yeah.
An oven glow?
Yeah.
Come on.
I knitted it for you.
An oven mitt? Okay.
Yeah.
And he was really disappointed
Yeah.
because he expected something better because he bought a better gift to somebody else.
Whoa. Video iPod.
Oh, wow, jeez.
But it was a oven glow.
Yes. Who has not won any Halloween heist?
It was Charles.
Yeah.
He always make the worst plans. He never
Yes.
win it.
To be or not to be?
Not to be.
Thank you.
Ha! Joan of Arc, Rod Stewart, Martha Stewart.
He-Man, Master of the Universe.
I think they always use him for something.
Yeah, because, you know, he's the...
He's kind of naive.
Yeah.
What's the fake name Joey gives to women in Friends?
It was Ken.
Yes, it
from
is
Barbie.
true.
Yeah.
Maybe people give out fake numbers, but they don't give out fake names.
Oh, yeah? Hi, Ken Adams. Nice to meet you.
From Brooklyn Nine-Nine again. Where's Charles' adopted son from?
I don't remember where, but his name was Nikolaj, not
Yeah.
Nikolaj. I just remember that, but I don't remember the country.
It's Latvia.
You have to tell Jake about my new son, Nikolaj. That he's 4 years old, he's from Latvia, he calls me comrade, and I love him so much.
It's hard to know.
I don't know.
But do you remember the name? It was good points.
What's the name of Phoebe's twin sister?
Ursula.
Urs, what are you doing here? I've been trying to call you.
Listen,
Oh, no, don't say listen. I know that listen. I've said that listen.
That's true,
That's
yes.
easy, yeah. I remember that. This is my last question. What job does Alex Dumpy end up having? I have options again. Software engineering, doctor, architect, academic researcher.
It's not doctor or either software engineer. It was, I think, academic researcher.
Yeah. She was so smart
Yes, I
in
know.
the whole show.
I've spent my entire life trying to be perfect. And where did it get me? I am in a field with 6,000 idiots!
I think that's all of our questions.
Yeah. Okay, our question is over. Now we're going to some chit chats with each other. You have a question for me?
Who's your favorite character in Friends and why?
In Friends, it was Joey. I think the most of the people is Joey or Chandler because they were the funniest characters in the show, and they always do something stupid.
Do we dare? We dare.
Mine was Joey because he was an actor and he was so handsome, he was so funny. So I love him because of this. Our favorite sitcoms is Brooklyn Nine-Nine.
Yes, it is.
Yeah. I started because of you. You recommended it to me. Why is Brooklyn Nine-Nine? You watched Office and Modern Family too.
Yes.
Why is Brooklyn Nine-Nine?
I think it's funnier than the other shows because in each episode there's new subjects and new stuff going on, and it's kind of fluent. The subject is fluent, and the inner jokes in that show is just making me laugh. That's why.
Yeah, okay.
Tell me why.
Ain't nothing but a heartache.
Tell me why.
Ain't nothing but a mistake.
Did you watch the British The Office?
No.
I didn't either. And I don't plan on watching it.
Yeah, me too. I didn't finish Office, by the way. If I plan to watch it again, I probably finish all of it. I wouldn't prefer the British one.
It looks kind of boring.
Yeah, and American is much popular and everyone likes it.
I think so.
Yeah.
Sorry, mate.
Oh, sorry, mate. Excuse me.
What are you doing?
English?
I want to ask the question, why everyone and us watching sitcom, we prefer sitcoms more than like action and crime series. Why everyone actually, because they're so popular, these shows. Why people choose to watch sitcoms? What do you think about it?
I actually don't know, but it attracts me more than the other shows. Because, like, when I'm eating something, I can just open that show and watch it. And when I'm done, I can continue whenever I want to. But I don't know, it just attracts me more.
When our usual life is so stressful too. So when we come home, we want something like relax. We don't want to focus on something. I think just, everyone can understand sitcoms and, we just watch and have a good time. It's relaxing, I think.
Yes. And most of them break the third wall, or was it called the third wall? Yes. And I think that's one other thing that attracts me too.
Yeah. And it's, for me and for students, it helps to help to learn new languages. I think my English got better with sitcoms.
I think so.
Yeah.
I think so. My other question is, when did you start watching How I Met Your Mother and why?
It was last year. Our last English teacher was talking about this. Then I started to watch. It's popular too. I like it, but I didn't finish too. It's so hard for me. I couldn't finish the shows that I start. But I'm planning to finish.
I have a lot of shows that I didn't finish, and they're just
Yeah.
waiting for me there. And
Mine too.
I decide to start a new one without finishing the other one. And I think I only watched 2 seasons of How I Met Your Mother.
Yeah, mine was 4, I believe. Okay, so you watched The Office too, and this is one of your favorites, as I know.
Yes.
Who's your favorite character, and what do you think about the show? Because when I first watched, I didn't like Michael because he was talking just different.
much?
Yeah.
I think my favorite character is Michael because, he's funny, he's goofy, and he's kind of, thinking about other people's emotions too, but they some kind of underestimate him sometimes, I think. I just like him more than the others, but also I like Jim too.
Yeah, I like Jim and Pam. Their relationship is so nice.
I think my most disliked character from The Office is Ryan. I just don't like him somehow.
It's because he's 10.
Yes.
Our questions is over. I hope you enjoyed listening us.
Thank you for listening, and don't forget to subscribe and like the video.